Max 2 Geometry and Practical 1, and this practical carries internal marks. It is to be done in the assignment sheet and to be submitted on the reopening day when school will reopen. Now aim. What is the aim of the practical? To find the distance between 2 points on a number line. Materials are a sheet of paper, that is your assignment sheet, ruler, pencil and eraser. Now here figure is given. Draw a number line and take each point at a unit distance. So unit distance 1 centimeter. It will be easy for you to draw. So draw the given number line at a unit distance 1 centimeter. Now what is the procedure? Write the coordinates of the given points in the observation table. Observation table is given. In that we will be writing the coordinates of the given points. Then we have to use the formula, that is distance formula. Calculate the distance between the points using the greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate formula. Now using the ruler, find the distance between the same points and write in the observation table. Repeat the same procedure for the second pair of points. Complete the observation table and write the conclusion. Now here the observation table is given. That is your serial number, given points, coordinate of the first point, coordinate of the second point, then distance between the points using the formula, and which is given in bracket as x, that is x. So we have to use the coordinate formula, find the distance between the given points. Then we will find the distance between the point using the ruler. And then you are going to observe, is the distance same? Is x is equal to y? If you are getting both the distances same, if the lengths are same, it is yes. So first here one example is given and the given points are DH. It means you have to find the distance between the points DH. Now coordinate of the first point, if you observe the number line, you will get it, it is 4. Next is the coordinate of the second point, and that is H, and its coordinate is -1. Now distance between the point using the formula, and the formula is greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So 4 minus in bracket -1. When you solve this part by opening the brackets, you will get 4 plus 1, 5, that is 5 units. And if you are taking the distance as 1 centimeter, then you will be getting as 5 centimeters. So you will be writing there 5 centimeters. And then take the ruler and measure the distance between those points. And you will be getting the same, that is 5 centimeters. If you are taking unit distance 1 centimeter. Is x is equal to y? Same you are getting the answer? Yes. So yes. Same procedure you are going to repeat with the other two set of pair that is given. One is MI. You will be writing the coordinates, finding the distance using formula, then using the ruler. And then your observation is x is equal to y. And next pair of values, that is AF. Same procedure you will be repeating. Complete the observation table and then we will come to the conclusion. So according to your observation table, you will get the conclusion. Thus distance between 2 points on a number line is, that is the answer, that is the formula which we have used, greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So this way you are going to do this geometry practical 1, write the aim and the materials required, procedure is mentioned, follow that procedure, complete the observation table, write the conclusion. Do this practical on assignment sheet and submit it when school will reopen. Use the things which are available with you. Thank you. we'll continue.